Emmanuel, why did we find two Adars?
Because it's a leap month.
It's a leap month. Oh my goodness, how did you know that? It's a good guess. Did you guess it from what we were doing? Oh, you used your brain to guess. It's actually called a leap year. So everyone get ready and say leap year.
Leap year.
When there's a leap year, we put in a whole nother month. Everyone put up Adar Aleph, put up Adar Bet. We're gonna leap from one to the next. We're gonna put two Adars in. If we don't celebrate Purim in Adar Aleph, when are we gonna celebrate it? Adar Bet. So get ready, everybody. Ready? We're gonna have to push. We're gonna leap and push. So let's push Purim off the month. Are you ready? We're gonna take your hands and push. Push Purim. Okay, now let's push Pesach. Push Pesach. Is Pesach now going to be in the spring? Happiest face you have. Everyone say Simcha.
Simcha.
Oh my goodness. We get it.